Okay guys, I know that a few of you are upset. You know, it's been how many days since my last video, and I'm so sorry. I just want to tell you that right now. Things at Debaroo have been super busy, and when I tell you busy, I'm talking like 10, 20k, 30k product launches that we're currently working on and actually delivering on. And you know, I have to, you know, help manage all of that process. Yeah, we've got a team of almost I think almost 20 people now in the company, and things are growing at such a rapid rate. So I've been doing those 5:30 a.m. starts and going to bed like 11 p.m. So imagine like how much time I have, you know, to do things like this for you guys, because things right now are so hectic. And I know that sounds like excuses, and I'm not an excuses guy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut the fuck up about all of that stuff. I'm just gonna tell you guys some updates that I have for this cash on delivery you know, thing that we're doing to try and get to $1,000 a day, and prove to you guys that it's all possible. You know, if I can do it with all this stuff that I'm doing, you know, waking up at 5:30, going to bed at 11, whilst, you know, managing you know, different businesses within that time, but I'm still kind of putting in a little bit of time for this cash and delivery project. You guys can do it too. Just put the time in, put the hustle in, and you can do anything. Anything is possible, guys. Don't forget that. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have the select offers as, you know, that's one of the things that I have in progress right now. So I've been speaking to a few of my affiliate managers at, you know, WeWe Media, Yepads, Ad Combo, and just trying to get an understanding of what potential offers I could run. And that's something that I would always advise for you guys, right? If you have a good enough relationship with your affiliate managers, even if you don't, ask your affiliate managers what are the best offers to run, you know, what geos are working for this vertical, and just let them give you all that juicy information. Right? Rather than you make it up, you fuck it up, you lose money, and then you ask them after, hey, this campaign wasn't working, can you tell me how to do blah blah blah, or tell me where to run blah blah blah. Just ask them that straight up. Predict the problem, solve the problem, you know, you have a solution. Simple as that, right? So yeah, I've got some offers I'm gonna show you guys in a moment. Something really naughty that I'm gonna do as well is I'm gonna show you guys some black hat landers and some black hat ads, because we're gonna go down the dark path of where people are making 5 figures a day with CPA affiliate marketing, and much more is possible when you're running black hat. Now, black hat is not for everybody, and in this $1,000 a day journey, I'm gonna show you how to run things white hat as well. Well, I'm not gonna show you in terms of, I'm gonna teach you step by step, but I'm gonna give you an idea of what's going on, because obviously I can't give you the juice of my campaigns, right? Every single person will run the exact same thing, and I won't make any money, which is, you know, I'm working hard, right? I need to make some money. But I'll give you some indication, and like I'm gonna do in a moment, some cheeky bits of gold value to kind of get you guys on your way and give you an idea of what's possible with cash on delivery affiliate marketing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move this down here, and I'm just gonna start revealing some stuff. So these are some screenshots that I've got. So this is the offer on the left hand side, one of the offers. I believe this is in Philippines. So as you can see, these are like, you know, those sort of tablets that you can put in water, I think. So quickly dissolving tablets, fruit thin, simple secret of successful weight loss. So Nutra is one of the top verticals in terms of affiliate marketing, in terms of gross value. I'm talking about financial value in terms of how much it provides for the affiliate marketing, CPA affiliate marketing industry. However, Facebook does not like Nutra. So if you're running Nutra on Facebook, then you will be getting in a lot of trouble. Hence why a lot of affiliates decide to run those sort of campaigns in black hat, where Facebook wouldn't necessarily see what you're doing, because you've got the hood on, and you know, it's almost like Harry Potter when he puts that wizard coat on. I don't even know what the coat is called, but when Harry Potter puts that coat on, and then nobody can see who he is. That's what black hat affiliates do. We put the coat on, and nobody can see, you know, who we are, what we're doing. And we're talking about the Facebook police here. Now, I do a bit of both. I do white hat, I do grey hat, and I do black hat. So I understand, you know, how things are on every single corner, and I can understand the values and the cons of doing each thing. Now, in this particular video, because this is what the research I've been doing of late during the spare time that I've had each day, I am going to show you just some examples of how things are going to be run Black Hat, right? So here we have the offer, one of the offers. I'm going to show you another offer now. This is like, I think this is for something you can, I think it's like cream or something you can eat, I'm not sure, but I can't read that. I think this is Malaysian, I can't read it, but yeah, this is another product in Nutra that's going to help people with weight loss. I believe it's weight loss. I think these are all diet offers. And yeah, this is another one, and this is like some form of syrup that they can drink, right? Cash on delivery, and this, I'm pretty sure this says name, and this is numero, aka the number. This is the number that we need to collect. Well, this is on the offer page. And then obviously, you know, with cash on delivery, if any of you don't know about how cash on delivery works, it is us as affiliates, we send traffic from our traffic source. That traffic goes to a pre-lander where we warm up the traffic. From that pre-lander, we take the traffic over to the offer lander, which is the page, an example of this page that we're looking at right now. And then after the offer lander, the user puts in their name and their phone number, and somebody from a call center then gives them a ring, confirms and approves that they are a viable potential customer or viable customer at that point. But there's no money exchange. So the person just agrees that a courier can send them the product, and they agree that they're going to pay in cash over the phone. And as soon as they get that phone call confirmation and the call center agent says, yeah, this person is a legit customer, we as affiliates, we get paid. So it's cash on delivery, but we do not need to wait for delivery for us to get the cash. You get it? Beautiful, right? So this is an example of one of the landers within cash on delivery in terms of the offer page. Now, I'm going to show you guys some Black Hat landing pages, and let's take a look. Let's take a look. So here we have a Black Hat lander, right? So I'm not going to stay on it for too long, but as you can see, there's a massive title here, blah blah blah. Okay, and this is a Black Hat lander. So I'm not going to go through the whole thing. We're just going to head back here. Now, actually, we're gonna go back to the page. It's all right. Now, as you can see, there's some things that are definitely Black Hat. You know, these logos saying that this topic is coming from the BBC News, and this is some Asian celebrity. Obviously, I'm not Asian and I don't live in Asia, so I don't know who this celebrity is, but she's definitely someone famous. So if you're running this campaign in the Philippines, I'm sure everybody in the Philippines knows who she is. And essentially, this article will be saying something around how this person discovered this product and is now using this product, right? Hence why it's Black Hat, because you're basically flat out lying, right? So that's the Black Hat world. You know, it is a bit, you know, it's a bit, I say more than a bit, it's very naughty in terms of how you run your campaigns. And I'm showing you guys an example. Just as I'm just gonna be real. This is how real shit is happening, right? And you know, this is how a Black Hat lander looks, for example. This is one example. I'll show you guys another example. And this is just from me doing some spying, right? B. Gonzalez has been sued for divulging weight loss secrets. So essentially, with this lander, the angle is that this celebrity has been sued because she has started to tell the world about how she's losing weight. So she's now being sued because of that, because this is like some top secret CIA shit, and you can't tell that to the world, right? So that's the angle of this one. As you can see, super extreme, and you know, if people go from this lander and they pay for the product, we as affiliates, we get paid, right? And obviously on the offer page, all the terms and conditions are there. So, you know, if you actually pay for this from a lander like this, because all the products are legit and all the products are real, but this is an aggressive way of advertising because you are almost forcing fake news into somebody's head, right? However, the offer pages are all approved, they're all legal, so there's nothing sort of dodgy or scammy going on in that regard. But the reason why this is black hat is because it's an advertorial, right? And advertorials were even used, have been used for years. I would say hundreds of years, but I'm not sure how long newspapers were around. But you know, they've always been utilized in newspapers to exaggerate certain topics, certain, you know, it happens today. Pick up the paper today, you're gonna see a topic getting exaggerated. But with advertorials, it's because there's a business purpose, there's a business output in terms of how that news is generated. And this is just taking that concept and putting this into digital media, and that was the birth essentially of advertorials. And with black hat, in terms of Nutra, a lot of it is run through advertorial landers, as you can see. So the ads for cash on delivery are primarily video. So video ads, they do the best in terms of, you know, they get you the best return on your investment because they have the most reach, right? Because of their reach, you get organic reach on top of the fact, on top of what you pay for, you get reach, you get organic reach because people share the content, they like the content, they comment on the content, and they actually want other people to see it. So because of that, they are now sharing it within their community, spreading that through Facebook's network of, you know, humans, and we get free traffic, which means that we are paying much less for the traffic because some of the traffic is coming technically for free. So video does work really well, and you know, I've been doing some research on some of the campaigns, and I can see that, you know, this is some of the campaigns that I spied. You know, this is a video that I found. There's another video. Well, this is not a video, but this is a post that I found, and this particular post links to this particular lander. Where is that lander? This one. Nope, not that one. Yeah, this one. Annular. Yep. Yep. So this ad would go with this particular landing page, and it syncs up. So it's kind of like a news style campaign where they're saying, like, you know, anyone should try this, this person said so and so, blah blah blah, which is quite an aggressive, a very aggressive angle. So, you know, run that angle at your own risk, but you know, it's good to see what's going on in the industry. And when you spy, or when you speak to your networks, and you know, if you've got a good relationship, they will share information with you, especially if they know you can do like 6 figures a month in terms of volume for the campaigns. You are a valuable asset to the network. So you know, do some research. You don't need to copy things word for word. You want to run your own angles with it. So when you spy on campaigns, and what I'm doing now, even though I've like utilized the tools to kind of get me on the right path again, see what's currently being run. At the same time, I have, you know, also focused on ensuring that you know, I can match my own angles with these campaigns. Like, I'm not just gonna copy and paste things. That doesn't that it can get you, you know, to like, you know, a bit of profit, but you're not gonna make the real dollar bills if you do that campaign strategy. So make sure you're always innovating, because you know, great campaigns are not found. You build them, you create them. You are the, you know, the creator of your own destiny. You need to think like that. You're not just gonna find something and it's just gonna make you rich. You need to make yourself rich. So make sure you understand that. But yeah, so right now I have some landing pages. I've done some spying. I've done some spying on ads. There are 2 main types of ads I'm gonna be running: video and then potentially news style, if I'm moving towards the black hat side. I'm also going to do some white hat stuff, because I know that there's going to be many of you that do not want to do black hat. But you know, like I said, there's pros and cons of the 2. You can decide on your own what path you'd want to go down. But me personally, I do a bit of both when it comes to CPA marketing, because you know, it's good to keep things balanced, right? And I always like a little bit of balance, but obviously there's still priorities in terms of what I prefer, and all will be revealed with time. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. The next video, I'm going to be sharing much more information in terms of not just only the landing pages. I'm going to be showing you inside some of the networks that I'm going to be working with for this $1,000 a day journey, and I'm going to be start to show you inside some of the campaigns that I'm running, and you know, within the next couple of days, hopefully we can start getting some figures around inside of my tracker, seeing some of the results that's coming out of these campaigns, and giving you some more insight into what's really going on with cash on delivery. So yeah, make sure you subscribe using the button below. Make sure you like this video, comment, ask me any questions that you do have, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.